Welcome to the exciting world of cloud computing. Your ultimate destination is to learn DevOps, cloud and CI/CD solutions. Get ready to level up your skills and dive into the world of innovative technologies. This is Vivek. I'm an AWS certified solution architect professional. Today, we are going to discuss Amazon Athena. Amazon Athena is a serverless interactive query service provided by Amazon Web Services, AWS. It allows users to analyze data stored in Amazon S3 using standard SQL queries without the need to set up and manage any infrastructure. Athena follows a schema-on-read approach, enabling users to define the structure of the data at the time of querying, providing flexibility for different data formats and structures. Some key features of Amazon Athena include 1. Serverless architecture. Amazon Athena is a serverless service, meaning you don't have to manage any servers or infrastructure. AWS takes care of the underlying infrastructure, automatically scaling resources based on the query workload. 2. Data source. Athena is designed to work with data stored in Amazon S3. It supports various data formats such as CSV, JSON, Apache Parquet, Awk, Avro, and more. You simply point Athena to your S3 data, define a schema, or use schema-on-read, and start querying. 3. SQL querying. Athena allows you to use standard SQL to query your data. If you are familiar with SQL, you can easily leverage your existing skills to analyze and manipulate data. 4. Schema-on-read. Athena follows a schema-on-read approach, meaning you can define the structure and schema of your data at the time of querying. This flexibility allows you to work with diverse and unstructured data sources. 5. Performance and scalability. Athena is built to handle large-scale data processing and can efficiently query massive datasets stored in S3. It automatically scales resources based on the complexity of your queries. 6. Cost-effective. With Athena, you only pay for the amount of data scanned by your queries. Since it is a serverless service, there are no upfront costs or infrastructure to manage, making it a cost-effective solution, especially for ad hoc or occasional querying. 7. Integration with AWS ecosystem. Athena seamlessly integrates with other AWS services. You can easily combine it with AWS Glue to create and manage data catalogs, AWS Lambda for serverless data processing, and Amazon QuickSight for data visualization. 8. Security and access control. Amazon Athena inherits security features from Amazon S3, allowing you to control access to your data using AWS Inc. policies. You can restrict access to the bucket, object, or even column level in your queries. 9. Federated querying. Athena supports federated querying, which means you can run SQL queries that access and combine data from multiple data sources, including databases and data warehouses. Advantages of Amazon Athena. 1. No infrastructure management. You can focus on data analysis without worrying about server provisioning, configuration, or maintenance. 2. Scalability. Athena scales automatically to handle queries of any scale, making it suitable for large and complex datasets. 3. Cost efficiency. Pay only for the data scanned by your queries, making it a cost-effective solution for ad hoc querying or sporadic workloads. 4. Compatibility with standard SQL. If you are familiar with SQL, you can start using Athena with minimal learning curve. 5. Integration with S3. Athena seamlessly integrates with Amazon S3, which is a popular and highly durable storage service. 6. Flexibility. Athena's schema-on-read approach allows you to work with a wide range of data formats and structures. 7. Security. Utilize AWS Inc. to control access and ensure data security. 8. Fast results. With its distributed and parallel processing, Athena provides quick query results, enabling faster data exploration. Overall, Amazon Athena is a powerful and convenient tool for running interactive queries on data stored in Amazon S3. Its serverless and scalable nature, along with its compatibility with standard SQL, makes it a popular choice for data analysts, data scientists, and anyone needing quick insights from their data without the hassle of managing infrastructure. Some common use cases for Amazon Athena include 1. Ad hoc data analysis. Athena allows users to perform ad hoc data analysis on large datasets without the need for upfront data preparation or setting up complex data infrastructure. Users can quickly run SQL queries to explore data and gain insights. 2. Log analysis. Organizations often generate massive amounts of log data from various sources, such as application logs, web server logs, or IoT device logs. With Athena, you can easily analyze these logs to monitor system performance, identify issues, or track user behavior. 3. Business intelligence, buy, and reporting. Athena can be used as a data source for business intelligence tools and reporting platforms. By connecting buy tools like Amazon QuickSight or third-party solutions, businesses can create interactive dashboards and generate visual reports from data in S3. 4. ETL, extract, transform, load, processing. Athena can be part of ETL pipelines for processing and transforming data before loading it into data warehouses or databases. You can use Athena to filter, aggregate, and clean data stored in S3 before further processing. 5. Data exploration and data lake analytics. Organizations often use data lakes to store vast amounts of raw and unstructured data. Athena can be used to explore and analyze this data directly from the data lake without having to move or transform the data beforehand. 6. Clickstream analysis. For online businesses, analyzing clickstream data can provide valuable insights into user behavior and website performance. Athena allows you to query clickstream data stored in S3 to gain insights into user interactions, popular pages, and conversion rates. 7. IoT data analysis. With the rise of IoT devices, organizations collect a tremendous amount of data from sensors and connected devices. Athena can be used to analyze this IoT data, enabling businesses to optimize operations, improve efficiency, and make data-driven decisions. 8. Serverless data warehousing. Athena can serve as a serverless data warehousing solution for organizations that don't require the continuous processing of data. It allows users to run on-demand queries without the need to maintain a traditional data warehouse infrastructure. 9. Cost analysis and optimization. For financial analysis, cost optimization, or billing purposes, you can use Athena to analyze cost and usage data stored in S3. It enables you to understand cost trends, identify cost drivers, and optimize spending. 10. Machine learning data preparation. Athena can be used to pre-process and prepare data for machine learning tasks. You can query and transform data stored in S3, making it suitable for training machine learning models. These are just a few examples of how Amazon Athena can be utilized across various industries and use cases. As a serverless and scalable query service, Athena offers flexibility and efficiency, making it a valuable tool for data analysis and exploration in numerous scenarios. Thank you. Please subscribe for more topics.